Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Nerissa Kamakungan, 48 years old, single, high school graduate, and currently here in the Philippines. My father passed away when I was 3 years old, and my mother is a housekeeper, and now she is 73 years old. And I have two brothers, 51 and 46 years old, both married. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Singapore for 18 years and 10 months. My first employer I joined last 2000 February 2004 to July 2022. I took care of two children ages 5 and 7 years old. I do all the housework like washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, cook simple Chinese food, and sometimes car wash. And my second employer was February 2025 to July 2025. I do also take care of two children ages 3 and 4 years old. And also I do the house cleaning, ironing, laundry, and all the household chores. For my personality, simple, honest, and loving. For my future employer, I guarantee you that I can do my duties and responsibilities because I have experience, loyal, and trustworthy. Hoping you consider my application and have a good day, ma'am and sir.